Hi guys, here's how to write a blog post with chatgpt. Okay, so chatgpt is an AI that can help you write a blog post, and all the articles are AI generated, but they sound very human-like and they are very high quality. So the first step is to sign up on chatgpt. If you haven't signed up, then make sure you watch our video on how to create your account. And once you create your account, you just have to follow the regular templates for writing a blog post. Okay, and the first is to generate your topic. So if you don't have a topic, then you can tell ChatGPT to come up with topic ideas. So the first instruction would then be write blog post topics about let's use any concept as an example. So let's say personal development. Okay, then you click on enter. Then ChatGPT will come up with blog post topics for you. Okay, so let's just see what comes up. Okay, so right here you can see we have 10 topic ideas about personal development. Then the next step is to write your introduction. Okay, so right here you can see write an introduction. So you just tell ChatGPT, you have to write this as an instruction. So write an introduction for, okay, so if you have any specific topic, you know, and that you want to write about, then you can just type that here. Say write an introduction for, and then you type out your topic. But if you want to use one of these topics right here, then you can just say for. So let's say you want to use number 6, just type in for number 6. Okay, then click on enter, and ChatGPT knows that this is number 6. So this is actually the topic you're writing about, the role of self-care in personal development. Okay, so right here you can see you have your introduction, and the next step is to write out your H2s. Okay, as you can see here. So let's say the H2s would be 4 roles of self-care in personal development, because the topic is the role of self-care in personal development. So explain. Okay, so this is an instruction. Explain 4 roles of self-care in personal development. Okay, then click on enter, and then ChatGPT would, you know, write out 4 roles of self-care in personal development and give you explanations. And so you can use these explanations as your H2s. Okay, so if you want H3s, then you simply have to tell ChatGPT to write out H3s by, you know, using one of these H2s as a reference. So for example, this one says managing stress and emotions. This is your H2. If you want to write a H3 under this, then simply tell ChatGPT write 3 ways to manage stress and emotions. Okay, and then once you've written that, you just click on enter, and then you have your H3s. So as you can see right here, we have our H3s. You can just, you know, copy this and then put it under the specific H2 that we used before. Okay, so these are H3s. So now we've generated a topic. We've generated a topic and our H2s and H3s. So now we just need a conclusion. Okay, so now we just, to write a conclusion, you just tell ChatGPT to write a conclusion paragraph. Okay, so write a conclusion paragraph for the above, then click on enter. As you can see, ChatGPT would write a conclusion for your article. So right here we have a good conclusion, and it's very easy to use, very easy to direct ChatGPT, and that makes it very much more advanced than, you know, writing aids like Jasper AI. So right here you can see the response we have for the conclusion. Now if you don't like this conclusion, then just click right here on regenerate response, and then ChatGPT will come up with, you know, a new conclusion paragraph. Now once you're done doing this, you don't just copy this and use it that way. It's advisable to proofread everything that you have. The reason is because ChatGPT is still an AI, okay? So it lacks certain information about the world. According to the creators of the AI, every information about the world before 2021 haven't been incorporated. So you have to make sure that if you're writing something like a review article or a news article, all the facts and figures are cross-checked to ensure that they are correct, okay? But right here you don't have any facts and figures right here, so there isn't a need to do that. However, I'll still advise you to use Grammarly and just, you know, ensure that the grammar is top-notch. So you can just copy everything you have. This is your introduction, copy that, paste it in your Google Doc. These are your H2s, these are your H3s, and then this is your conclusion. So just copy all of that and put that in a Google Doc, and then use Grammarly to cross-check everything, just to make sure that you don't have any errors.